Welcome back. This is another twice turned bowl, and before I do anything to it, there was a crack in the bottom of it, so I had to make a quick little repair with some black Starbond CA glue. And you can use the activator if you want to, it's not necessary. Just makes it a whole lot faster, especially when you got a deep crack. What I like to do is spray some down in there real good, let it soak down in, and then hit the CA on it. That way it cures about midway through there, and then just layer it up and layer it up and layer it up. By the time you get down to that spot, especially since I had to true up the rim to put it in the coal jaws, it wasn't no issue. And any kind of crack I see, I'll go ahead and soak it down with some CA just to make sure it ain't gonna go nowhere. And bear with me on the audio. I know some people don't like the music. I've got a few more, I think about 7 more bowls I got to finish up the videos on. And I'm gonna start working more, or I should say less, background noise in so I don't have to overlay it with the audio or the music, just to keep from getting popped with copyrights. So I figured out a way to do it for now. So here's you some noise. sometimes you'll have little bubbles in there that you didn't get that's kind of deep bent in there. Ain't no problem. But in the final pictures, you'll see that this thing has, looks like holes, but it's actually the clear CA that's actually down inside of those cracks. And I'm using the thin CA on the bark. That way it'll suck it up and it'll be just a little bit harder. That way it's not too soft and doesn't want to come loose over time. In here I'm using Mahoney's Walnut oil, the utility finish. I wiped this on, let it sit on there for about 30 minutes, maybe an hour, to where it just wasn't sucking it in anymore. And then came back and wiped it all off. And I let that cure for about 2 days and went back with the walnut oil, carnauba wax, and beeswax. I left that on there for about a day and then came back and buffed it off. And she ended up coming out beautiful. Got a few cracks in there, but it is what it is. Be alright, somebody will like it. But I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.